Tapos ba. Ready na kami! Malaw-galaw na kami. Nako, magandang araw po! Mga kapolitika, naway na sa mabuting kalagayan po tayong lahat. Panalangin po tayo palagi, mga kapolitika. Nako, mga kapolitika, Napaga po yung ating bagong studio, no? Palakpakan po natin. Ay, ito pala. Asan na ba palakpak? Yan pala, oh, mga kababayan. Nako. Saan na ba yung palakpak na yun? Yun, nako. Oh, andyan. Oh, yung audience natin. Ano ba nangyari? Ba. Politika.
Ito ang reaction politika.
Oo, mga kababayan, meron pong sponsor, meron po tayong producer pala, no, na nakipag-tie up sa channel natin. Ako naman, palakpakan natin yan. Tingnan nyo naman, mga kapolitika, ang ating new studio. Ang galing ng ano nito, Ang galing ng lugar dito. Asang bansa ba tayo? Abay, nasa Jerusalem yata. Nag-time travel tayo. Nag-time travel tayo, mga kapolitika. Nako. Okay. Isang hindi importanteng meeting na naman ang nakatakda sa inyong kalendaryo. Ulitin. Isang oras na naman ng inyong buhay ang masasayang. Binasa ko pa yung ulitin talaga. Ay, itong hirap pag scripted, di ba? Yan tayo sa politics, mga kababayan. Ang genuine, yung walang script. Pero tayo, genuine din tayo, no? Script lang ito sa studio natin eh. Kailangan to, makagalit yung ating script writer, no? Nako naman. Pag di natin binasa yan, pagagalitan tayo. Pagsusumbong yan kay Dire. Yes, mga kapolitika, hello sa mga paboritong pampagulo ng corporate level. Welcome back sa channel nating nag-iisang sandalan ng mga pagod na utak. Ako ang inyong host na laging naka-noted with thanks, si Reaction PH Politika. Palakpakan. Ako naman, mga ka-corporate, mga ka-politika, sino ba sa inyo dito? Oh, nawala tayo ng music. Teka, patawon na tayo sa music. Uubusan tayo ng music. Buti na lang, may reserve tayo dito. Nako naman. Oh, ready na kami. Gumalaw-galaw na yung katawan. Nandito na ba? Saan? Ako naman, mga kapolitika, mga ka-corporate, sino ba sa inyo? Dito ang binuhat na naman ang buong team ngayong araw. Yung tipong pag-gising mo pa lang sa umaga, sinalubong ka na ng 5 urgent task. na kahapon pa pala ang deadline. At huwag nating kalimutan ang pinaka-paboritong banding nating lahat. Ano ba yon? Ang 2 oras na meeting na pwede namang idaan na lamang sa isang maikling email.
Makinig na mabuti, buksan ng mata. Kapatan tayo, sabi ng konstitusyon. Freedom of speech, it's guaranteed. Expression natin, no one can leave. Freedom of the press, hindi
Eh dinaan pa talaga sa meeting, pwede naman sa email lang. Ano ba yan?
sinungalingan.
Kabala talaga, oo.
Yan, huwag kang matakot sa reaction pic.
Ang sarap maging productive, di ba? Masarap ba maging productive? Nakaka-inspire magtrabaho, lalo na kapag naisip mo yung bills mo sa credit card. Nako, yung may mga credit card. Swipe lang ng swipe.
Ayan, boses sa
Kaya,
katotohanan.
bago ka tuluyang ma-burnout o mag-send ng resignation letter na may maling grammar pa ha, yung resignation letter na nga lang mamaliin mo pa yung grammar para naman may stress mo yung boss mo hanggang sa pag-resign mo, di ba? Mag-relax ka muna, pindutin ang subscribe button, i-like ang video na ito mga kapolitika at itag ang paborito mong work bestie na kasama mo. Yes, yo. Sabi ni, ewan ko sino may sabi nun.
Isip, yan ang tunay.
Hanggang sa marami na akong sinasabi na wala sa script mga kapolitika. Nako. At itag ang paborito mong work bestie na kasama mo na laging nagmumura sa chat habang nakamute sa Teams meeting. Let's go. Yung mga nag-Teams meeting dyan ha, sa Google Meet. Mga naka-turn off yung mic pero nagmumura na pala. Nako naman. Baba.
Sa loobin ng bawat Pilipino. Are you ready? Let's
Direk ha, binasa ko yung script. Mga kapolitika, huwag kayong mag-alala. Hindi to script sa politics na may hidden trick or diba, schemes para lokohin ang taong bayan. Ito ay script lamang dito sa studio. Kailangan natin yan para sumahod. Diba? Kasi kailangan natin ng pambili ng bigas, of course. Ang tagal maubos ng music. Ayun, maubos din yung music. Nako, mga kababayan. Aarangkada tayo sa panibago nating studio. Palakpakan ulit. Palakpakan tayo ng palakpakan dito. Kasi naman. Napaaga yung ating studio. Nako. Medyo ang ganda ng posisyon ko doon sa aking new desk. Nako, ang ganda ng desk ko dito, no? Ang lamig ng aircon. Ano mo naman ng studio to? Nako. Pasalamat tayo sa nag-sponsor, sa producer natin. Ako, hindi natin pwedeng pangalanan yung producer natin eh. Pati si Derek ayaw. Sa Canada, pag dumami na yung ating community, kaya mag-subscribe na kayo mga kapolitika. Para i-reveal na ni Derek yung kanyang pagkatao. Pagkatao ni Derek. Aba. Ka-reaction. PH Politika. Uubusin mo ba yung oras sa pagdadal mo dyan? Hindi mo ba talaga i-introduce yung feature video mo na yan? Ababa, yung screen mo nakatel pang ganyan ha. Ababa. Sige, puntahan natin yung featured video natin. Nasaan na ba yung featured video na yan? Nako. Andito. Ito pala. Ako, palitan natin ha. Ito pala, ang laki. Ang laki niya, Okay. So, saan ba siya? Andito. Saan ka na ba? Okay. Andun siya, no? Ayun. Solid as C. Okay.
has already given first the Vice President's team to
Unahin natin, syempre.
Representative, first, I think for the audience, I'd like to name, I don't know if you have the list with you, but it would be good for those who missed it, the 11-member prosecution panel. So that's led by Representative Luistro, but you have Terry Redon, Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez, Representative Zamora, Representative Defensor, Shel Diokno, Laila de Lima, Representative Bagao, Jonathan Keith Flores, Lorden Suwan, and yourself. So far, what have you all been focusing on? You've clearly already convened also, as you've already chosen the members.
Well, right now we are trying to focus on the articles, no, that we will be handling, and on top of that, we are also in the process of vetting the private prosecutors who will help us in the trial. And another thing that we are also considering before, prior to yesterday's Senate hearing, was the all possible legal obstacles that we're going to face. So these are the things that right now we are trying to focus on.
Representative Chua, what were the legal obstacles, the possible legal obstacles that were discussed after the Senate has already convened into an impeachment court?
Well, because we all know that one of the senators said during the, I don't know if that is during the interview, that the purpose of minority senators is to block the impeachment proceeding. So we are anticipating that they're going to vote against it, but fortunately hindi naman it did not happen. So we are happy that right now what is being or what happened yesterday is eto nga, the impeachment proceeding is proceeding forthwith.
Proceeding forthwith.
Yes.
So take us through the process right now. For now, the Senate Impeachment Court has already given first the Vice President's team to respond within 10 days. Tama po ba yun?
Yes.
O sige,
Yes,
ipakita niyo po
the
ang proseso
impeachment-
nito before we reach to the actual trial.
The impeachment court issued actually, Karen, writ of summon. Because the writ of summon, dalawa ang ano niyan, dalawa ang purpose niyan. One is for the Vice President to appear before the impeachment court, and the other one for her to submit the answer within 10 days, no? Yung period po, ang purpose po nung appearance ni Vice President is for her to enter her plea, whether guilty or not guilty. Now, in the event that the Vice President, no, did not appear in the impeachment trial, or her lawyer did not appear, or wala ring answer na sinubmit, the trial will proceed anyway, and a plea of not guilty will be entered.
Ako, mga kababayan, so ibig sabihin pala ay wala nang bloodbath. Kung hindi a-attend, of course, no? At according to Attorney Chua, no? Joel Chua is a prosecutor na congressman dyan sa impeachment. Ay kung sakali man daw na hindi dumating, a plea of not guilty will be entered. Automatic, no? Parang automatic siya na may plea ng not guilty, umatin sa hindi man, no? Ano, umatin daw sa hindi, trial will proceed. So, ba't kaya nila sinasabi yan? Siguro sa hindi rin pag-attend ni VP Sara doon sa kanilang di ba, mga hearing dyan. Pero siguro attend naman siguro si VP Sara, di ba? Naku naman, paano yung bloodbath pala kung gano'n, di ba? Okay.
against the Vice President. So after that, after kasi niyan, normally there will be a pre-trial conference. So yung pre-trial, dyan yung the purpose of the pre-trial is to prevent surprises. So ito na yung pag-uusapan, what are the issues to be tackled during the trial proper. So here, there will be marking of evidence, there will be identification of the issues tsaka yung mga witnesses. So dyan ginagawa yan normally. And then after that, bago pa lang magpo-proceed sa actual trial.
So, right now, the Senate Impeachment Court has issued the writ. If the Vice President refuses to reply, that they most likely will reply, but there are 10 calendar days. If they don't reply, the Impeachment Court will proceed with the trial anyway. But
Yes.
then you have 5 days to respond. This is correct?
Yes, but if the Vice President did not submit any reply, so it did not submit any answer, so what is there to reply?
So let's say they did reply, you have 5 days to then reply.
Yes.
Let's say that was the scenario after the prosecution replies within 5 days, what happens next?
Then the Vice President will appear. Diba? Yung plea. Mag-enter siya ng plea niya.
Can she still refuse to appear? Can her lawyers appear for her?
Yeah, the lawyer is allowed to
Okay.
appear for her and to enter her plea. Now, in the event na both the Vice President or the lawyer did not appear, the trial will still proceed. And
Yeah.
a plea of not guilty will be entered.
Oo. So, nandun na tayo. If roughly with the 10 days, I'm counting right now from where we are.
Parang
May
ayaw nyo
19.
bang umatin si
And
VP
to,
Sara dyan,
10
ako?
calendar days, 5 calendar days.
But upon receipt yan, it all
Upon
depends
receipt.
upon
Siyempre, siguro, atog naman siguro, di ba, mga kapolitika. Ano ba yan?
Kabilang po ba dito ang Sabado at Linggo?
Yeah, kabilang yan.
Kabilang din. Oo.
Yes.
So, let's say matanggap po within the week. Kasi kahapon po nag-convene, no?
Kabilang po tayo ng 10 days.
O, magbilang tayo ng 10 days. Halimbawa, sumagot, may 10 days, sasagot kayo 5 days. Ang Congress will go on a break, ang sinedie ng June 5. That's correct?
Yes, pero tuloy-tuloy ito.
Tuloy-tuloy.
Yes.
Kahit nakasinedie.
Yes.
Alright. Now, I know
Tuloy-tuloy ito.
the next will be the marking of evidence,
Sa
etc.
pre-trial ang tawag dyan.
Ang tawag pre-trial. That is not open to the public.
Well,
Is that televised?
that I do not know yet. I'm not sure of that. But the trial definitely is open to the public.
Yes, yeah. We know that. Because
Yes.
we've already...
So normally kasi yung pre-trial, ano yan eh. Well, kasi magkakaroon ng ng plea pa pala. Mag-enter pa ng plea si Vice President before the pre-trial. So I suppose that is open to the public also.
So clearly, if the Vice President attends in person, that will be covered, right? Pero let's say the marking of evidence, deciding what exactly goes into the trial and all, is that more paperwork than it is debating on the floor?
Medyo ano yan eh. Medyo boring yan eh.
Oo.
Markahan lang ng ebidensya yan eh.
Okay, so during the Corona case, I'm sure your team has been studying it. How long did it take for the Corona case?
Corona, I think 4 to 5 months.
Ang
If I'm not
pre-trial-
mistaken, yung
ang
Estrada
pre-trial-
mas mabilis eh. Because yung Estrada kasi hindi naman natapos yun eh.
Oo. Ibig ko sabihin, yung pre-trial bago nagkaroon ng actual trial, yung Corona case, was your team
I
able
know,
to-
I'm not aware of that. I'm not
Okay,
aware
all
of
right.
that.
Kasi ang tanong ng ilan, the court goes into recess, so nakasinidie, you resume during the State of the Nation address of President Marcos Jr. The State of the Nation, is that on the 20th or the 27th?
That is the 4th Monday of July.
Okay, so that will be the 27th then. Ang
Okay.
tanong kasi ng ilan, do you believe that the actual trial will start before the SONA of the President during the break? Or would there be most likely a consensus that it will be after the SONA?
kung wala namang hassle, Karen, no, I believe that first or second week of June, actual trial will begin.
First or second week of June. But then, how could that be an actual trial? Meron pang meron
Mabilis.
kang 10 days. Meron kang 10 days, 5 days lagay mo May 19 na po ngayon. You can open your calendar. O nakuha, let's say, ni Vice President mamaya, magbilang ka ng 10 days. The 10 days already would end May 29. You're given 5 days. 5 days, that would already be 30 to June 4.
Sabihin mo na, mga June 4.
No, you can't go into an actual trial because still you have the pre-trial of reviewing the evidence, marking it.
Yeah, sandali lang naman yan, normally.
But that's not 1 day. That's not 1 day or 2 days.
Well, at the very late, siguro, third week ng June, sabi mo na.
Third week of June.
Pagkatalunan talaga nila yung...
So you believe there's already the actual trial during the break.
Wala na magiging...
It's a keen observation o miscarried Davila, no?
But it is the
politika.
Senate who will decide. Is that
Yes,
correct?
it is the Senate who will decide.
Oo.
And in fact, we are...
Tayo naman
the
dito,
reason
basta
why I said-
mag-umpisa lang, okay na tayo, di ba?
Actually, we are expecting...
Saya na tayo.
Called yesterday During
Yung iba kasi, ang gusto lang naman dyan ng iba, yung ano lang, di ba? Yung excitement.
We did not receive any formal invitation. So, siguro, sa
Naman.
plea na lang, we expect na there will be a formal invitation for us to witness the plea of the Vice President, which enters her plea.
Okay, because looking at notes, former President Estrada, I believe, I can't remember the date, but from the time he was impeached and it was sent to the Senate, they convened a month after, the trial started a month after. With Corona, and I have the dates right here, December 13, 2011, the complaint was officially transmitted to the Senate. The next day, the Senate convened as an impeachment court. But January 16, this is a month after, that was still the presentation of evidence, opening of statements. It commenced. That's a month after. And then the voting of already the conviction roughly was 5 months after. So the trial lasted for 4 to 5 months. Pero it took a month and a half after already for the trial proper.
Kaya nga, it all depends on the Senate President. So, we're still awaiting for the formal invitation. So, lahat naman yan ang timeline na kay Senate President.
Okay. Lahat po ba ng public prosecutors, kayo pong 11, lahat po ay abogado? Kasi
Yes,
hindi
ma'am.
naman po required, di ba? Hindi po
That's not required, but fortunately, lahat naman po kaming 11 ay abogado.
Okay. What is the game plan given that all of you are lawyers, but kumbaga, you haven't practiced in a while, not just yourself, the others as well, because you have been lawmakers, right?
Yeah.
In the last few years. In other words, hindi na kayo bihasa in terms of being in court or handling a court trial.
Yeah, that's why we are getting the assistance of private lawyers or private prosecutors. Right now, we are in the process of vetting. Kasi, Karen, there are a lot of private lawyers who wanted to help. Di ba? Kasi, malaking ano rin to sa kanila eh. It's going to be a big break if and when they will be chosen, di ba? So, maganda rin para sa kanila to.
Will you be allowing private prosecutors to do some questioning in court? Is that allowed under your rules?
Yes, that is not prohibited. So, allowed naman din sila to participate under the control and supervision of the public prosecutors like us. So, nangyayari rin yan. In fact, even in private practice, when I was still in practice, yung fiscalya, they are allowed, yung mga private yung mga private complainant, no, even in criminal cases, they are allowed to get the services of private lawyers. So, under the control and jurisdiction, supervision din ng mga piskal. So, ganun din naman dito.
All right. Now, what part of the impeachment case will you personally be handling, Representative Chua?
Well, right now, I am assigned to 3 articles. The one is the ill-gotten wealth. Number 2 is the confidential fund. And number 3, the bribery. But I am not tasked alone. Siyempre, may kanya-kanya, may delegation naman kami yan. Kanya-kanya kami ng testigo.
Is the lower house spending in any way for the impeachment process in terms of staffing, hiring, alam mo yun, research, may budget po ba ganun?
Well, right now, yung mga staff ng house ang nakikita.
Teka lang mga politikan, ako medyo naboboring tayo doon, ano, mga politika. Well, ganito na lang, no? Kasi we still have a lot of time pa naman. We will continue para maintindihan natin yung nangyayari na ganito sa ating bansa, no? So, balikan natin yung tinatawag natin na power play, no? So, although this is masasabi natin na a trial, 'di ba, para papanagutin, no, yung isang mataas na opisyal ng ating bansa, no. So, isa diyan yung President, Vice President, yung Supreme Court Chief Justice, and then yung Associate Justices, yung COA, no, Commissioner, yung Commission on Election, at saka yung Ombudsman, no. So, itong mga trial na impeachment ay design yan para matanggal sila, ma-prevent sila from, 'di ba, committing associated actions, 'di ba? Andito yan sa ating yes, this one, no? I-ano ko lang ipakita ko lang ulit. So this is, ayan. Tapos ito, delete na ito. And then ito, ayan. Yan, ito, basahin ko lang mga kapolitika, kasi importante ito. May napindot na tayo tuloy sa Sige, mawawala din yan after yan. Okay, bumalik na tayo. So, ang sabi dito, yung Vice President, yung President, members of the Supreme Court, members of the Constitutional Commission, mga Constitutional Commission na yan, yung COA, COMELEC, at saka yung Civil Service Commission din, kasali. And then, yung Ombudsman, yan yung mga nai-impeach. Yung mga violations na pwedeng mag-impeach sa kanila is yung culpable violation of the Constitution, treason, bribery, graft and corruption, other high crimes, betrayal of public trust, no? So, yon. So, ang proseso dyan ay numbers, no, sa mga judge sa Senate. So, you need to at least a vote of 2/3 of the total members. And since the membership is fixed to 24, so 2/3 should be fixed to 16, regardless of may nabawas, diba? That is the explanation naman of Attorney Neil Abayon. Kinukot out natin dito yung mga lawyer na diba, ng kanilang dyan, mga punto di vista pag-interpret ng batas para hindi natin makalimutan, no? Now, pag sinabi mong numbers, ibig sabihin it involves in it power play on politics, no? So, power play, naglalaban yung mga gustong makaupo sa kapangyarihan, di ba? So dito, ang sabi ng ilan ay hindi mo daw masasabi na it is purely set to be a kind of rendering justice like in the likes of the normal process found in civil courts in the judiciary branch of the government, no? Na kalintulad doon talaga sa korte na sa judiciary branch, kasi dito daw ay politika ito. These are political actors, syempre, no? So pero ang sabi diyan, pero meron tayong rules and procedure on impeachment trial. So isa doon sa rules which is I did not get downloaded on that, so we will go to that, no? Baka i-include ko yan dito sa ating para alam din natin yung rules and procedure on impeachment trial. So isa doon sa rules na yon, which I cannot be yet particular on the particular provision, ay dapat daw yung isang senator judge ay magiging impartial siya, no? Hindi siya bias. So parang magiging siya, tunay siya na hukom. But according to some critics, it is somewhat kind of impossible, or there's a possibility for it to be impossible, no? Parang imposible mangyari yun kasi nga yan sila ay may mga partido, tapos mayroon silang mga political leanings kung kanino sila na kandidato, kung kay BP Sara or kay dito sa partido ng liberal or sa interest ng administrasyon kay President BBM. Well, that is just speculations, di ba, mga kababayan? Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na yun talaga yun. Bakit? Bakit po? Kasi ay abay. Siyempre, mahirap nang mag-speculate dyan, no? We should always anticipate the regularity of what? We should expect speculate the regularity of facts, no? Abay. May oras pa rin tayo, mga kapolitika. So, let us continue to the video kasi ito, matatapos na ito. Kasi regular episode tayo, 30 minutes to 39 minutes lang ito. Bawal ito lumagpas sa 40, mabawasan tayo. Nako. Malaki pa naman ang bawas pag 1 minuto yung lagpas. Nako. Teka lang ha.
Kita ko, they are with us. Kami, mga private lawyers namin.
Oo.
So, even malaking bagay talaga yung inclusion ni Congressman Shell Jokno, who is into private practice for quite a
That's
period
true.
of time. No? So, malaking bagay talaga yung addition sa kanya. And in fact, malaki yung contribution niya sa amin. So, ganun din si Congresswoman Laila de Lima. And there are some na nagbo-volunteer na, but I do not know if we are allowed to divulge their name. Maybe later on, because we're going to have a press con at 3 o'clock later. So, baka doon na lang siguro hindi divulged.
Yeah, and I know I can't discuss with you the merits or strengths.
Yeah, we're not
of
allowed since
things
the
or your
impeachment court has already convened, no?
All right. Now, I think to end this, can the Vice President actually avoid not being presented or showing up in her own trial? During the time of the late Chief Justice
Not being
Corona, there was
presented.
actually a debate if he would take the stand.
Parang ako lang.
Some didn't want him to take the stand.
Laging wrong grammar na, Ma'am Karen, wrong grammar ka doon.
With Erap Estrada, he never personally took the stand and he never was present in the trial itself in the Senate. Can the Vice President actually choose not to attend or take the stand?
Yun, dapat
Well,
ganon.
that depends on the legal strategy of the defense. So that is not for us to decide right now. The Vice President is not under our consideration to be our hostile witness. So depende yan sa strategy nila, but I don't think it will help sa kanilang parte, no?
Why not? Why not, sir? Why not?
Considering that people are are asking for her explanation. So I think it would be best on the part of the Vice President to explain everything.
Okay, my last question is the change in leadership in the Senate right now. The majority, 13 senators, the 13 are more, one would say, sympathetic or allied with the Vice President, the majority right now, although they already have taken their oath to be impartial. We do know this is still a political process. 16 is needed to convict. Some fear that even if the evidence is strong, 16 would be very hard to come by. Your thoughts, is the new leadership a threat?
Well, I have no reason right now, no, to believe otherwise because I have no reason to doubt the senators for now, considering that they have taken their oath. Sa ngayon, wala naman tayong aasahan kung di umasa na lang muna that they will do their job and to do their constitutional duty. Ang hiling lang namin is for us to be given the opportunity to present our evidence before the Senate trial. So yun lang
Alright.
naman ang hinihiling namin.
On that note, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Manila 3rd District Representative Joel Chua. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Aba. Aba, ano nangyari dito? Aba.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it just by
mga
thinking about
kababayan.
it. Meet Base 44, a complete AI creation platform. Describe what you want and watch it take shape. You can plan, customize, and expand in
Ayun.
any direction. From
Oh,
tools
pasensya na
built
kayo,
for
mga
one
kababayan.
to platforms ready for many. From passion projects to enterprise-grade systems.
The Philippine Senate is set to convene on May 18.
Hindi yan. Next video tayo. Ako naman ng oras mga kababayan, sayang ano. So, masunod na lang yan sa sunod. Okay, outro muna tayo. Plakpakan muna sa Romy. Masasabi ko lang dyan mga kapolitika. Baka naman umattend na si BP Sara, no? So, syempre a-attend yan. Diba? Ano sa tingin niyo mga kapolitika, no? So, sabi nga dyan ng mga DDS, pinagandaan yan nila na before pa. So, talagang ina-anticipate nila doon mismo sa proper, ano. Well, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari dyan, no? Nako, baka ano na tayo na are we still recording? Nako. Parang wala yung natin nawala yung nako naman. Okay. So, I think outro na lang tayo, ano mga kababayan. Hindi nyo na ako makikita dyan. Ay, wala na pala tayong oras ako. So, sige. We need to reset po another video na lang mga kapolitika. Paalam muna.